Amanda, justice for Prophet Mboro, justice for the grandchildren of the Prophet Mboro. We have seen while I was in prison, while I was in prison, abantwana besikolo baya going, marching to the police station, bakhishwe in the classes from the meeting where the Department of Education was, where the ANC Youth League president was, where the chairperson of the Ekur Lane was, where the spokesperson was. Babata the answer to why isn't Pastor Mboro arrested? Who arrested the maternal family? They didn't get answers. Our boys have failed to tell. Is in our custody. They went to apply for J50. Right. And there was no condemnation. Now, Babantwana Batange. Whatever was done is not COSAS, is not ANC Youth League, is not the schools of Katlehong. Prophet Mboro. We are not part of what is happening. So, available teacher from Alafan. I mean, not from Katlehong. Station commander Uchele who told the district general, now all of us, I didn't call the kids. I didn't go to school. Did I call you? No. Did I come to your school? I didn't come to the school. So, manje, that's it. So avoid ukuthi bakhulume because manje they will be criminalized, they will be judged. So no, ngiyabona ukugcwele abantwana beyikolo. Isikhathi singaka for them to march and go out of the classes. Where was the Department of Education? Even now they are not condemning it. Even now they are not condemning it. So, community that is fighting Prophet Mboro, where is it? Where is it? So, Coco Webster. Okay. You misinformed the children. I mean, she misinformed the children. I'm not talking to her, I'm talking about what she did. The bail conditions, I'm not talking to them. Ilaba language English, because English is a language. All I'm saying is ba in misinformile banaba school or they were kidnapping. There's no charge in law airing the grandfather of the children and the father can kidnap their children. There's no charge like that. There's no charge when we are stolen trespassing. So you have seen, here are the children from different schools. All the schools that participated in the banning of the church, none of those kids was expelled, none of those kids were charged. But when they come and correct it, it's a problem. Justice for Prophet Mboro, justice for the grandchildren of Prophet Mboro, justice for the church that was banned under the Mboro. Reborn into Prophet Mboro Times, Facebook, Mboro, TikTok account, and then Nerlimo today for case, Kadi 28 of May, the maternal family and the prince and the teachers, Barusha Pile, and participated in the banning of the church. They will be appearing. Now, kids should not be disrupted in class. There was no law. all along when the kids were marching just next to the police station. There was no law. This is shocking. Buses were taken out. Even now, there is no condemnation of them. Nyas Bonel again. South Africa is behind Pastor Mboro. Who in the community is fighting Pastor? Even the police are not fighting Pastor Mboro. If the community out in look at the Sikaru Kabonsali Strata. It's full. There are kids all over. I'm not going to. I was in there to tell out Ketsiba. They were singing, yeah, marching. Fumana school. Kenya said I paid 140,000 for the furniture in Bona. Alafang, I buried students who had no money to bury them. I fixed the windows, I fixed the doors. Huh? A lot of these schools have done a lot. So who turn one community acing against you? Here you see. Like the page, follow the page, give your comment. Share this. Share this. MEC of Education, shame on you. You released a statement against me. Boxbed prison. Yeah. You released a statement condemning me without asking me. Principal Wakoman Sidis, you failed to be a leader. SGP, you failed. Banaki Baba immobilizer. I don't have power now in Sabana School. Kibaba number 6. Hey, Prince, the school has sent us. The school has sent them. Dear God, we thank you. That's the power of the cross. Jesus said, come unto me, all who are heavily burdened, I'll give you rest. The battle is the Lord's, it's not ours. Namanda West Pamban, now they are charged with 15 counts. Kidnapping, malicious damage to property, common assault, assault GBH, criminal injury, and many other charges. That's what happened. Now, Mantishere Atswere Ato, maternal family, Malaza Webster, Salele, Pori, Mrs. Chabalala, Miss Ford, Mr. Marsha, and so on. So, we want justice today. We want so, want to see, it is very interesting. And now, Banabachi is saying correct. I don't want them to be arrested. These kids are concerned about these kids, Kamele Hore. Abantwana abaparticipate ukuchisa isonto abangaboshwa because labantwana laba they were misinformed. They were trying to fight hore motho o kidnapang bana dikolong o thunyang dikolo. They were trying to defend other kids. So now I'm on the side of them. They cannot be arrested for them. The adults who facilitated, they must answer. Thank you.
I'll be right back there.